Today's video is basically an ASMR, but real life sounds in the background with cleaning sounds. So you'll hear kids' TV and scrubbing and water and hand washing dishes. So if you're into that, please continue watching. Also, the ASMR / real life action type ends at 10 minutes and 34 seconds. So let me know if you guys enjoy these types of videos by leaving a comment down below and giving the video a thumbs up. But here I am just going in with the kitchen, and then I'm going to be quiet now so that way you guys can enjoy the ASMR / real life nighttime clean with me. So this is where I'm going to be putting on music and voiceovers from here on out from the rest of the video. I do hope you enjoyed the natural sound slash ASMR portion of today's video. If you want to keep on watching, then that will make me even more happy. But I'm just giving you an overview of how tidied up the kitchen got. And then after I'm done giving you this overview, we move on to my dining room. I give you an overview of how dirty it is also. We love doing befores and afters on this channel, guys. So I figured I'd introduce myself since I haven't yet. My name is Ashley, and my twin sister and I, Courtney, share this YouTube channel together. So you get 2 different houses on one channel, guys. So if you are new and you haven't yet, please subscribe. Also, guys, if you could give this video a thumbs up and share it out, that'd be amazing. It does help our channel. And watching the videos all the way through also does amazing for our channel too, guys. So if you want to do some supporting, that would really help out our channel and our videos. But now I'm just having Junior, which is holding Leo, pick up his mess at the table. We already ate dinner and everything like that. So I'm just trying to get it all wiped down, and then we move on to my bedroom. So let's get the music started and let's jam out for a little bit. I am all done tidying up my bedroom. My bed is still a mess, but it's basically, cleaned up and stuff like that. It's just the baby is watching his show in my room, so I didn't, he was just kept making the bed a mess, so I didn't get to, give you guys a pretty overview of the bed, but my bedroom is all tidied up, doing the laundry tomorrow. But I do have a load of laundry right here for you guys. If you guys need some laundry folding motivation, I got it for you guys. let's get started on folding this bad boy. And then after I am all done folding this laundry, I am all done with the video. So I just want to say thank you so much for sticking to the end and enjoying my video today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to hit the bell. All it does is notify you every time we upload a brand new video. So you'll just get a notification. And then give this video a thumbs up and share it out if that's possible for you to do. We would love for you to do that. And I will see you guys in my next video, which would be next Thursday. And then you can expect Courtney to upload a video on Saturday morning. I do evenings and she does mornings. It just seems to work out that way. But I think this is actually my first time doing an evening video for you guys, or if not, in a long time I haven't done one. But I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Look at the baby. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I do hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's not my usual, but sometimes this is all I have time for. And, you know, I want to give you guys the real deal of how it is sometimes, you know. But, all right, I see you guys next Thursday. Bye.
I think there's something in the water. Alter, not an imposter. Broader, shining armor stronger. Alter, saved by the streamlight. Unlocked, broken. Data, born to be streamlined. Movement, control. Lost it, out of the streamlight. Unlocked, broken. Data, born to be streamlined. Movement, control. Lost it, out of the streamlight. Meet me home, don't fly away. I will find a way to come back to you every day. In my cyberspace, come to my cyberplace. We'll have a fun day, we'll have a fun day.